Hi, in this video we're going to be going over how to become an online notary in the state of Minnesota. So at BlueNotary we've got a simple step-by-step guide that's going to walk you through this process. It's available as a link in the description below this video. So once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page here, and you can just scroll down a bit and you're going to see our quick step-by-step walkthrough. So let's go through this together here. Step number one is you're going to need to maintain your current commission as a traditional notary public. In other words, you already need to be a normal notary public. Step number two is you're going to need to sign up or contract with a RON technology provider that meets the requirements of Minnesota State. So our best recommendation for this is to sign up for BlueNotary.us, the top notarization platform for notaries and businesses. Step number three is you're going to need to complete the Remote Online Notarization authorization form. So if you click this link, it's just going to bring you to the form itself, and you can take a look at all the required information, fill in everything that you need to, provide your signature. You can even fill this out using BlueNotary's Session Simulator. Then you're going to need to mail this to this address right here. Step number four is you're going to need to submit this application to the Minnesota Secretary of State, as we just mentioned right before. And lastly, you're going to receive an email from the Secretary of State authorizing you to perform remote online notarizations. So from here, you're able to upload a screenshot of this approval email as your RON approval document on BlueNotary, and then you're able to begin performing online notarization. So this is how you can become an online notary in the state of Minnesota. If you found this tutorial helpful, please follow along, like, and subscribe. We've got plenty more information on online notarization on the way.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.